I'm Dr. Kalpana and I'm here in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology for the past 24 years. Today I'm here to take you to the journey of Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The journey of CSE department dates back in the year 1997, and the department has the success story of 21 batches with the alumni having their footprints across all the continents. The curriculum offered by the department is in line with the requirements by the industries, covering a large pool of trending subjects, namely data sciences, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, AR, VR, cyber security, to name few. The Department of Computer Science is now NEP ready in terms of expertise, experience, skills and infrastructure, and we are looking forward to our prospective learners. The existing curriculum allows the students to pursue minor specialization in trending areas, namely cyber security, IoT, data sciences and AI. We also plan to expand the offerings and include areas like design thinking, fintech, social skills in years to come.
In CSE department, we offer electives related to all the latest current technologies. With Bitcoin and blockchain blooming in the market, I teach this course, and me along with my undergraduate as well as postgraduate students, we have done several projects and published few papers and conducted workshops related to this field.
The Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, or SMIT, apart from its flagship BTech program, also offers a Master's in Computer Science and Engineering. This MTech program in Computer Science and Engineering started in the year 2006 and has been continuing since, and is approved by the All India Council for Technical Education. The syllabus has been framed keeping in mind the requirements of industry, academia and recent trends of research, and it is not without reason that students having completed their master's degree from SMIT are much sought after by the industry, by the academia, and some have also pursued successful careers in research.
The CSE department has seen a very high percentage of students getting placed in top MNCs through campus interviews. The modern curriculum offered by CSE department helps the student to get selected in these companies such as Microsoft, Dell, Boston Scientific, Shell, Wipro, TCS, Capgemini, to name a few. We have also witnessed that year after year, more than 95% of our students are getting placed with an exceptionally attractive compensation of up to 24 lakhs per annum. In addition, even the third year students get an opportunity in these companies to work as an intern with an attractive stipend of up to 80,000 rupees a month. Overall, the CSE department provides a great platform for holistic growth of the student in terms of academics, in terms of co-curricular activities, and an exceptional career opportunities for our students.